Sanbonani, football lovers, welcome to Sportybongs. Please help me grow this channel by liking and subscribing to the channel if you haven't subscribed. I hope unikahle emakhaya, even though indaba zibuhlungu ukuthi we want to watch the match versus AS Simba, but think it is an opportunity so that we can discuss about what can be done in order for us to find our scoring points again, because this thing of ours not scoring goals, it is worrying, because I've just came across a photo and I saw there is this stat that is not sitting well with me, man. There's no way that a team that can register 127 shots and only one person can be able to register 4 shots, 8 goals, but that player doesn't even have 3 goals this season. It is worrying, to be honest, because it seems like we are going to repeat the mistakes of last season, whereby everyone can attest that Kaizer Chiefs, it is playing, Kaizer Chiefs, it is creating, Kaizer Chiefs, it is controlling and dominating games, but the problem, it is only scoring. It is only scoring because it seems like we score 1 goal per match and then it's chai for us. So we need to find our goal scoring boat as soon as possible, because we need those goals as soon as possible. Because if we still want to continue playing these CAF confederations and other competitions, we must make sure that we win games and we score goals, because without goals you can't win games. That's why we even got unnecessary draws against Amazulu, against Marumo Galanzi. You can see we were playing on those particular games, but the only difference is that we are not scoring. So I want us to talk about this issue. Kaizer Chiefs in all competitions have played, I think it's 11 games. So in these 11 games, we only won 5 games, we drew 3 games, and we lost 3 games. So that tells you, many people can say that we are doing bad, Kaizer Chiefs is struggling, but if we are talking about struggling, what are we talking about? Is it in terms of results or in terms of performance? Because let's not count CAF confederations and the Carling Black Label, and then let us focus on the league only. Let us focus on the league only, and then that's when we can say, if we would say that a team is struggling, maybe we will say teams like Stellenbosch FC. But for Kaizer Chiefs, I don't think we are struggling. It's just in things are not falling into place for now, but we are hoping things will go back to normal, where we get to win games and we score goals, because there's no way that in the league only we have played 8 games. In those 8 games, we won 4, we lost 1, and we drew 3. So that tells us the games that we have played, they were very competitive and we tried our utmost best to win, but the only thing that it is missing are the goals, because we can have a good build-up play, have a structure in the middle of the park, and we have a way of playing progressive football, especially when Nkosi Mpilo Ngcobo is around. But the only thing that is missing, the decisions that are being made in the final third. That's where everything needs to be questioned, because we have to I don't know, should I say we have to blame the forward players, or we just have to try maybe to be lenient and patient with them up until they figure out how will they score goals. Because another thing that we have to do is that we must give credit to the goalkeepers, because they were making sure that they don't concede goals. They were making brilliant saves. That's why you can say Lilepo had registered 40 shot 8 goals alone. So he has 2 goals, but all I can say some of those shots were ballooned over the goalpost, and some of those were shots on target, and the goalkeepers made saves. So it simply tells us ukuthi we know to find our way to the goalpost, but the only thing is to collect the ball at the back of the net. Yes, we might do so, but I think it is only one goal and then it is charged. So I think with Khanyisa Mayo up top, maybe we can have an advantage whereby which maybe she'll try to rescue us, because yes, he haven't played many games, but the signs are there that he's gonna score goals for us, because you can see in terms of positioning, in terms of hold up play, and how mobile he is, because he's able to pull out defenders out of position. So the only thing that is missing is that understanding, that telepathy between the forward players and attacking midfielder, left winger and the right winger and the striker if needed be. Guti, let's try to be in sync when we reach the final third. That's when we have to make sure that our decisions are very spot on and we are precise when it comes to taking shots, because we can get goals and at some point we miss obvious chances. But that tells us Guti, we are a team that is a work in progress. We try by all means to create chances, but the only thing that we fail at is to converting those chances, because we have a lot of strikers. A good thing was that a player like Silva already has 2 goals. A player like Mayo has 1 goal. So our strikers, the more they play, the more confident they will become, because create goal scoring chances for them and make sure that you feed them, they will score goals. But for now, I think we have to be patient with the team. Maybe after this international break, we'll see a different Kaizer Chiefs. Since we won't be seeing that game versus AS Simba at the TP Mazembe Stadium. It's a day for us. It's either you watch other teams in the Betway Premiership or you focus on European football. But the matter of the fact is that Kaizer Chiefs is not that bad, to be honest. It's just in the goals are missing. But in terms of chances creation, I think there's no team that has an edge over us. We are the best, but shot at goals, shot on target are not goals. What is needed are goals. So I think if it was possible, maybe an introduction of a striker coach, but I think it will be a waste of time, because it's not like we are missing chances that are easy to score, but some of them is just their chances, half chances. So it needs us with the squads with the patient when we reach the final third, so that our decisions can be spot on. But the important thing is that we cannot say that we are a bad team, but let's just say that things are not going according to how we expect them to. But the moment they start going according, that's when everything then will be decided. Good to know the team needs maybe a different kind of another way of doing things, but the best thing for now is to keep the faith and make sure that we're really behind the team, so that they can get the results that we desire. So hopefully even the game that we're going to play versus AS Simba, we're gonna win it, so that we can make things easier for us when we come back home, so that we become stress-free and the pressure won't be on us, but it will be on AS Simba. But we are playing in their home, so it simply means they are home, they are fans, so they'll play to prove a point that they are the team that it is best there in DRC. But we have to make sure Nati, when chances get into our way, we capitalize on that. I believe the coaches selected the type of players that were going to do the job at the DRC. So we'll see by the results. But I don't know, Buffett Kuti, yini kahle kahle engenziwa so that we can score those goals, because we even drew with Mamelodi Sundowns, a team that is always giving us problems when we play against them. We drew against Marumo, against Amazulu, of which we gave away a cheap 2 points, because I think we could have done better. The only game that I think we outclassed and outsmarted, I think, is that one versus Isikhukhune United. But the rest, I think we were doing good. Just we have to believe again, and then we start building that momentum, find our rhythm. Maybe that's when we'll, because maybe if we create or register a minimum of every game more than 6 chances, maybe we can try to get at least 2 goals maybe, and then we try to defend with our lives, because that's the only way. Because when the season started, we were winning by 1-0, 1-0, 1-0, but our defensive lines were very solid. That's why there was that structure. It was difficult for the opponent to break us. But now the gaps bit by bit are showing. But the team will make it their responsibility so that they bounce back and then end that winless streak, because we need to win so that we can know what, okay, we are building the momentum so that we can continue with these games, because we're supposed to play four competition this season, and now we are left with 3 because we are out of Carling Black Label. So it's CAF Confederations, Betway Premiership, and a Nedbank Cup. So maybe if you can defend it, but I believe we are playing good football. It's just in your it doesn't have results.